Lightworker, oh my goodness, I've just received the box with the first copies of my book, Protect Your Light, and I'm so excited to open it. I haven't opened it yet, I haven't held the book in my hands, so let's do this together. Okay. I'm so excited to see it, to see how it looks like, and to finally hold it in my hands. It feels like giving birth right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goddess. It smells so good. I am speechless. You guys, it's my third book, my third baby, Protect Your Light. It looks so beautiful, exactly as I imagined it, even better. Here's the back cover. Isn't it gorgeous? Let me just bring it a little bit closer so you can see it better. And shall we briefly go through it? So this is the inside. So it's an off-white kind of color. How many pages? Here's the thickness of it. It is 222 pages. Oh my god, really? Is it 222? I am not kidding you. I did not plan this. It's 222 pages. How amazing is that? I have some amazing endorsements over here by my friends Emma Mumford, Danielle Page, Vix Maxwell, Gala Darling, Katie Brokers, Amy Lee Mercury, Kale O'Donnell, Amberly Lyons, Sophie Bashford, Yasmin Boland, Dougal Fraser, Sharon Kaiser, Lisa Lister, which I'm very grateful for. And the dedication is to my mom. Thank you for always supporting me and my dreams, because she's always been there for me, no matter what. The book is divided into 4 parts. Part 1 is energy protection basics. Then part 2 is clear your energy. Part 3 is shield your energy. Part 4 is protect your energy online. This is actually the first book to talk about digital energy protection and the importance of cleansing and protecting our energy online as well as offline. I wrote this book because I've heard from so many empathic, sensitive light workers tell me that they have this drive to help people heal, to help create change in the world, but they just absorb so much energy from the surrounding environment and from the people they're here to help, and that prevents them from lighting up and following their purpose. So I created this book to help lightworkers have strong energetic boundaries, to ensure that their thoughts, their emotions, their behavior is stemming directly from their inner being and purpose, rather than being influenced by all the different energetic attachments that they catch from other people. In the book, I define energy protection as the art of being energetically authentic. It's about ensuring that what's ours is ours, what's theirs is theirs. It's about ensuring that our thoughts, emotions, behavior, belief systems, they come directly from us and our purpose rather than from other people. Essentially, energy protection is about taking your life back, and I'm so excited to bring this book to you. I'm so excited for you to read it. It's available to order anywhere books are sold, and if you order the book before July 1st, you also get a 2-hour online masterclass with me called Psychic Scanning Workshop. So all you have to do is go to protectyourlightbook.com, order the book, enter your receipt number in the little form I have here, and then you get instant access to that psychic scanning workshop. Thank you so much for watching this and for being here with me as I get the first copy of my book, and I can't wait for you to experience its magic.